Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your name on Gmail. Changing your name in Gmail involves updating the name associated with your Google account. First of all, open up the Gmail app on your phone. Once you get into its app, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, tap to Manage your Google account from here. When you get into your account, tap on the Personal Info option from here. Now, from here, you will be able to see basic info like your name and DOB. So, tap on your name from here and click to edit it. After that, you can enter your new name and tap to Save it. As you can see, your Gmail name is saved successfully. Keep in mind that in some cases, the changes may not be immediately reflected in your Gmail account. It may take some time for the updates to propagate across Google services. Additionally, note that your Google account name is linked to other Google services, so changing it will also update your name in other Google products like Google Drive, Google Calendar, and etc. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.